right, so we have everything there. Let's go ahead and get those points. And since we're looking at angular velocity, doesn't matter where we collect our information. The first piece of tape, the second piece, or the edge of the rod. Doesn't matter. Yes or no. And then you have to say why. It's because we found that the angular velocity is going to be the same along this rod. It doesn't matter the radius. So I'm just going to pick the inner circle here, and we'll start taking some points. I think all you have to do is go around once. I'm going to go around twice, or I need to go around a little bit more because I'm not quite sure of how far my data set is going to go. Maybe I'll just tidy up the calculator to fit going around once. How about that? I do like the idea of having a little extra data hanging out there for problems that'll come up later. You know what, I'm gonna go around some more. All right, I'll stop there. So of course, upload this video with points, and you're gonna take this to Dropbox. I'm gonna do the same thing with the next video, but I'll walk through it. If you feel like you need to watch everything, that's fine. I think it's great because sometimes I talk about things, talk about other things. So we don't need to go to 10, we need to go to 11, and we need to go into our physics folder. So let's go to grade 11, and then just choose that and save. So that one is done. And let's take our data file over as well. In other words, let's just go ahead and complete the processing for this particular experiment and put everything in one location. Turn that into a table. As usual, we still have our sine waves. Let's go ahead and move this over to Microsoft Excel. And once it's in Microsoft Excel, we definitely are going to convert and edit. It's in the upper right-hand corner. And we want to put this into, let me make sure I'm in the right folder. Yep, RAS Term 2, 2016. I'm going to go ahead and put that into my number 11 folder. So I'm going to say save. So we have that data set. That portion of the experiment is pretty much complete. Now let's do the same thing for our 1.81 millivolts. So let's set our origin and scale. You're going to see that it's going to move a bit faster here. So everything is set. Take a snapshot. I'm going to go ahead and upload that snapshot to Dropbox. And we do need to change the name. So let's rename that. And we're going to call this origin and scale. And let's use the 1.81 millivolts. Rename.